Alright everyone, what's going on? So today's video we're going to look at the JBL Clip 3 Bluetooth speaker. We're just going to quickly do an unboxing and get an idea of how this thing sounds. I'm going to connect it to the LG G6 Android phone just to get an idea of what this thing sounds like. Alright, so the Clip 3, if you don't know about the JBL Clip series, there's the Clip, the first one, and there's the Clip 2, and then of course this one is the Clip 3. Let's go look at the box to the back to get an idea of what this thing packs. So we got 10 hours of playtime. We got the IPX7 waterproof, so this thing can go in the water and yeah, survive. And of course it's a speakerphone, so basically if you are currently connected to the Clip 3 and someone calls you, you can use it to talk through it to answer the person. So it's pretty neat, pretty sweet. And let's go and unbox it. Got my knife over here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this plastic off, and any noise you hear in the background, it's just, this house is so weird. Sorry to say it that way, but it is weird. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this thing up. Usually I take forever to open it up, that's why we need to pause the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this thing out, just yank it out. And I got this for $59.99, brand spanking new. I bought it from Best Buy, local store. I went straight into the store. It comes with the guide over here, and then got the tray underneath. It has the, I guess, the box with all the other stuff. How do you even get that out? I do not know. There you go. All right, so you got the cable, and that's basically it. So no charging brick, nothing whatsoever. And then we have the Clip 3 itself, okay? So this is how it looks, Clip 3. Very nice layout. And I have the Clip 2, so I will do a comparison with that. Okay, so far it seems the same. The only thing I've noticed is the design of the clip here from the Clip 3. It seems that it's actually in there and not loose where you can move it around. And of course the auxiliary cable is no longer there, but you still do have a port where you could plug in a cable into it, okay? And of course remember, these things will work if there's life in the speaker and you have to power it on, okay? So got your play, pause, answer, end call, volume rockers over here. I believe it's the same thing, same layout. Got your power on, power off, and of course your Bluetooth connecting button over here. All right, so let's go and power it on and see. Hopefully this thing has some life in it. All right, there you go. And of course we're going to enter pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button over here. Press that once. Let's hope that works. Did I do it? No? Okay, let's press it again. There you go. So when you hear that, it means it's in pairing mode. Before we connect this thing, I just want to show you guys the colors that the JBL Clip 3 comes in. Got this from a site, an image, so we have lots of colors to choose from. And this one I have, I believe, is the blue one. It's more, not royal blue, it's somewhat like a gray blue. But these are the colors, I believe. I don't know if they're official, but that's what it is, right? So let's go ahead and use the Bluetooth settings, power it on, and we're going to search for the Clip 3. So let's go and search Clip 3. There you go. Okay, so it's connected. It sounds like it's busted. I would hope not, because I can't return this thing because I'm not. I bought this thing from Best Buy in Puerto Rico. So big shout out to you who live in Puerto Rico. Now let's go ahead and let's play a song. Let's go ahead and start with this song. I know this will work. And then this is max volume. That's it. So, don't want any copyright issues. Got a next one over here. So I guess as always, it comes down to the quality of the song and the phone you're using. But so far it sounds great. It feels like Clip 2 to me. If you want to see some comparisons with the Clip 3 and Clip 2 from someone who actually spent their money on the speakers to get a real honest opinion, to me, if it was up to me, I wouldn't really buy the Clip 3 if you never had the Clip 3 and you already have the Clip 2. I wouldn't go for the Clip 3, but just for you guys, just to give you all an idea of what is what. Yeah, that's what it is. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and thanks for watching.